The perfect shoe does not exist. We could just get that out the way right now. I've tried many different companies for different uses, and I've over the years I've had some companies send stuff out to me to test, and other times I have spent my own money to get something that I visually no something that visually appealed to me. My phone over here keeps vibrating and distracting me, but uh, a company that I've worked with in the past, NORTIV, they sometimes will send stuff out to me, but I haven't been too much in contact with them, especially since I went back to wearing cowboy boots. My current pair of cowboy boots are by Justin. Those are really comfortable, but there's a slight issue with them. They have good. I should have brought them in here. I don't know why I didn't. They have a really good soul and everything, but it doesn't have that much traction, especially for where I live or if I'm trying to hike with them. They don't have the traction that I need, so I'm not slipping, sliding around the place. Like recently, when I was filming with Bear Independent, we were going through a lot of mud and stuff and going up and down elevation. And what was happening is I just dug my heels in and slid down the mountain, trying not to fall while filming. And the only thing that was holding me up was the mud getting caught in my heel. So had to figure out how to work that situation. And I didn't fall, didn't drop my recording devices, so that was a major plus. Uh, I I love those boots. They're extremely comfortable. Have my ankle kit that stays on it. Oh yeah, when I go out today, I got to remember to take my ankle kit off of my boots and put it actually on my ankle because I ordered. They didn't send it to me. I ordered some boots from North 8, and you see their box right there. And, well, actually, they're not boots. They're hiking shoes, and usually their hiking shoes are smooth, but then their hiking boots are more aggressive and have really good tread and traction and soles. But I didn't want another pair of hiking boots that would be more cumbersome or something like that. So I was like, I'm good on that. I'll either deal with my cowboy boots or the hiking boots that I have, which don't have as much tread on them as these. All of the different hiking boots I have, these almost feel like they have spikes in them. But what got me was the style. We put the box off to the side and just grab one of them. See this style right here. This is what got me. I don't know if it's an Oxford style because of the toe cap here. It just really stuck out. What is that? Trying to think back to the '90s. Uh, Nike ACGs. That's the feel that I get when I see these. Like the Nike ACG boots, which I never owned a pair, but that's kind of what this reminds me of. Maybe they took inspiration on these right here from the Nike ACGs, and they also remind me of what my son wears. Uh, my son and one of my brothers, Bob, y'all might know him, Bug Out Bob, or Across the Table with Bob, whichever name his YouTube channel is right now. They both wear Vans, which are really flat really flat all the way down. There's no heels on the Vans or anything like that, and they are also waterproof. The Vans that they have, I look at Vans as skater shoes or something like that. So never really got into those. Maybe they are extremely comfortable. I don't know. I haven't tried it. But for my speed and my daily life and what I do, wanted something like this, like a low shoe that's waterproof, or at least up to here. If you could see, this is where the tongue connects. So it's probably waterproof up to its lowest point, maybe about right there. And what sold me is this really aggressive tread on the bottom, because up here on the mountain, if I'm hiking about, don't want to be sliding around. I want to be planted. It's really rocky up here, so these will catch on the rocks and help to prevent me from sliding. So that is why I'm going with these. And I started this video before I headed out, and you can see there's no dirt or anything on them, but that's actually the reason why. Because the second I walk out my door and I touch my driveway, I'm going to be in mud, dirt, rocks, and all of that, and these are going to get dirty. But I'll do a follow-up review on them to see how they fit and feel, and uh, if they are too stiff, if there's a shank in here that's uncomfortable. Oh, there's some tape here. Oh no, some packing material tape, I guess. But uh, I don't even know the names of these. I'm of course going to put a link in the description box down below, and uh, show y'all the link to these. I believe they come in green and black, or maybe it's just the brown and black. I didn't want another pair of green shoes. Wanted to try this brown and see how it goes. But that's about it. I'll let y'all know if uh, these are good or trash, and how they fit and feel. If there was a break-in period, if or if they feel like pillows, like one of the other NORTIV boots that I had, like mid boots. I put them on; they felt like sneakers. Not sure if these are going to do that. These are kind of stiff as I'm trying to flex them, so it must have a really sturdy shank in there for hiking. It's not like a, oh, that is unthinkable how stiff they are. So I'll let y'all know how these go, and see if they're worth it. If I give it a thumbs up, or I end up going back to my cowboy boots. Well, y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Shalom.